So since I've been coming once a week, it hasn't been much traffic for the machine. But since my Red Bulls are the biggest sellers and I knew I needed some, I just came this time to refill the Red Bulls. So right here I'm taking a picture, which is my newest form of inventory upkeep, if you will. So the reason behind me removing the Red Bulls is because I noticed that it's a metal flap on the bottom of each bottle or can that allows the machine to know that there's a product in there, so it'll vend. So I just made sure that it was flush against that metal piece so it will continue to vend. So as you can see, the product is in pretty good shape in the machine because I've been going once at least the last 3 weeks back to back. So with that being said, after this visit, I'll just wait 2.5, 3 weeks before I go again to ensure that some product has been sold. I don't know if anyone can tell, but them home workouts got my back muscles looking pretty good.